Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about TapeAgents. It is a agent framework released by ServiceNow. I believe agentic AI framework that ServiceNow is creating is based on TapeAgents. And TapeAgents can be used for multiple purposes like prompt tuning, fine tuning, agent AI. There are so many things. Form filling, there's many use cases, and the main if you'll see that this architecture, I think the main way to distinguish is as the name suggests, is the tape. And what is tape? Whenever agent is interacting with the environment or among themselves, they are adding a log that they are calling an analyst or doing informing a user or having a thought, and adding all these steps in a log, and that log is called tape. And if you have that tape, you can use it for as a memory, or you can also use it for prompt tuning or fine tuning. So you can use all this, or even educating like a lower LLM, means smaller LLM, on how to behave, right? So, and these are the different use cases that ServiceNow is using this agent framework for. But we are interested in very small use case. If you want to go into more detail, I have a link to the video. You can go through that and check out. I have explored many other functionalities of the tape agent, but today what I wanted was I wanted to create means we get incidents every day, right? And I wanted to use these agents and one of the tools to get to resolve the incident and provide the information. So that is the main agenda of this. Now if I'll go to the agents, let me just show you. So this is a notebook. I will provide the link to this notebook. If you want to run these agents by yourself, ServiceNow also provides an intro notebook, but that is pretty heavy. It may have like something, so many functionalities which may not require. So this is a simpler one. And I use OpenAI. You have to use OpenAI key and Serper key and your PDI instance password. Serper is an application which through which we can get the search result using API, and it is free for certain transactions, so you can use that. Now initially this notebook contains few examples in which are very simple, like which are not using multi agents and simply asking question and providing answers. So we are just understanding like what is tape and how it behaves, how can you use it again, so things like that. But one before we move on to that incident one, I will try to explain a little bit over here. So in this code, what we are doing, we are using multi-agents and we are calling tools as well. So the purpose of this code was as a financial agent. If I want to understand financials of a company, then I will use two agents, planning and acting. So first agent will create a plan and then another agent will act on it. And it will use certain tools. So here there are default tools that ServiceNow provides, like get stock ticker to identify which is the ticker of that company, and then get data out of it. So, and once you run it, you will see that I ran it for is it wise to invest in ServiceNow, and it basically like gets that, then have a thought that identify the ticker, get the data, stock data, analyze the price, and then it calls multiple tools to, so that was the plan. Then it calls multiple tool to get those information, and then finally it provides the information that so here it provides the information that analysis of the ServiceNow stock that started with this and this is the ending. There's an upward trend, there is a volatility, and there is a recent decline. And based on the performance, it also provide the conclusion that investing in ServiceNow appears promising. So this is how we means an agent not only initially providing us the recommendation or steps, but it also acts on it and does analysis and then provides that analysis. Now let's move on to our main use case. In our main use case, we will be using so in this notebook, there are multiple other examples. And if you want to know about these examples, I will ask you to check the other video. But here, so in this example, you will see that I'm using pysnc, that is a ServiceNow client. I discussed it in the earlier video. And in this, you can simply very easily connect to ServiceNow and create a data frame from your records. So as you can see, I'm connecting with ServiceNow over here and getting the incident data. So I'm limiting it to 50, like short description, priority and all. And here is that information. So what I want is, out of these incident, I'm choosing one of the incident to get so that my tape agent can work on it and provide me the resolution. Let's see. This is a data frame, and I'm choosing the 19th one, which is, if I'll check, my disk is still having issues. I can't delete, so it is a file. So the person cannot delete any file. Now let's run this and see what happens. So this is the agent, and here is the information related to, this is my query related to the incident, and I have told it that you will resolve the user query based on short description and description. Use search agent to gather information. Now, so this was here is the information, and here is the plan. Analyze the incident detail to understand user issue, which is related to the disk problem, inability to delete file. Since the incident is characterized as inquiry and help with low priority, impact, and urgency, determine if there are any common solutions. And you have to call search agent for troubleshooting steps. Information gathered from search. Provide the user with the troubleshooting steps. Okay. So it calls the search agent. This is the query, troubleshooting step for disk issues, unable to delete the file. And let's see. So it is doing all this. Means at the end, let's see what is the response. So in the response, check the file permissions, run a utility, force delete files, remove write protection, check for errors on external drive. So there are different, and it is also providing from where it is getting all this information. Like this is the Microsoft page, this is Microsoft documentation, and provide guidance and all. Now we have all this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to update this resolution in the work notes. So if I'll go here, okay, this was the different one. So let me get the sysID and put it over here. Yeah, my disk is still having issues, and as you can see, it has provided all the information with the link how to resolve the issue. Yeah, that is all for today. Thank you everyone. If you have any questions, please let me know.